Hi everyone, this video is made for you to understand our worth of a picture assignment. It's your 2.6 assignment for English 208B. So when you're completing this project, you're going to answer the essential question. How do poets and writers use word choice to create pictures in the reader's mind? So today we get to analyze how poets use language, imagery, symbols to create mood and emotion. Analyze the impact of word choice, imagery, and symbols in a poem's meaning. Analyze imagery, allusions, and extended metaphors in poetry. So you're going to be able to walk away with a deeper understanding of the text in Unit 2 and how they use language to convey mood and meaning with this assignment. So your 2.6 worth of a picture assignment, what is that? We're going to choose one mini project option from the list of objects on the next page. You're going to read through the instructions for this project, complete it, and upload it into the 2.6 worth of a picture Dropbox. Make sure you are following the directions for your chosen project, because that's what I'm going to be using when I grade your project. So for your due dates, check your class plan, and it's worth 30 points. So option A, again, you're going to choose one option to complete this on. So for A, you're going to choose a poem we've read in the unit, and create a visual partner for it. So be prepared to explain how the poem served as a basis for the visual piece or as an inspiration for it. So you can create visual partner by choosing one of the following mediums: original drawing, a photograph that you take, a collage of found art. In addition to the visual partner you create, you can write 3 to 5 sentences reflection explaining how the poem inspires your piece of art and how the art represents the poem. Upload both into the Dropbox. And then here's a list of the poems that we've read in the unit: Station at the Metro, The Red Wheelbarrow, Heat, The Poor Woman, The White Horse. You must choose a poem from this list. Option B, you're going to write a short Imagist poem of 4 or fewer lines. If necessary, read about the Imagist poetry before you begin. Do not reveal what your poem is about. So it involves a single image, describes the image, uses words to conjure mood and emotion, and sensory language. So there's an example of this. It's The Red Wheelbarrow on lesson 2.3. So here's the poem. So much depends upon the red wheelbarrow, glazed with rainwater beside the white chickens. Option C, you're going to create a collage of words from Goodbye to All That represents the author's complex perspective of New York City. Then choose the images to accompany this word collage. You should have a minimum of 8 words and phrases and 5 pictures. You're going to take a picture of your collage or scan it and upload it to the Dropbox. It may include individual words, phrases, sentences. Option D, create a collage of words from Goodbye to All That represents the author's complex perspective of New York City. Then use the text you selected to create an original found poem. So a found poem is a collage made up of parts of words from existing texts, such as newspaper articles, speeches, letters, signs, literary texts, or sometimes often other poems. Traditionally, found poems are exclusively made up of text from outside sources. The selection and placement of these pieces of an outside text are up to the creator of the found poem. So to complete this project, reread the poem and write down words, sentences, and phrases that you found important in Goodbye to All That. Then carefully craft your chosen words, phrases, and sentences into a poem. It should be made up of words, phrases, and sentences that came solely from Goodbye to All That. Make sure you come up with a creative title and then you carefully arrange your poem on the page. So here are some examples. So how do you go about submitting this assignment? You're going to go into Assignments, find the assignment 2.6 worth of a picture, click on it, and then upload your assignment. For some project options, you will need to take a picture of your project and upload that. How are you going to be graded? Well, your requirements, accuracy, creativity, effort in presentation, and conventions. You can always find this rubric in our class content, in our live class, and in your announcements. This will be graded out of 30 points total. So how many points is this worth? 30 points. How many options do you have and how many projects do you need to complete? We're going to have 4 options. You can choose 1 to complete. What skills does this project assess? Your understanding or imagery and word choice. And we're going to go over this project more in our class Connect, so we'll see you then.